Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm coming again with the most exciting roadmap series. In previous video, I have given the roadmap for the first year students. Now it's time for the second year students. Excited? So let's get started. So far, you have got the basic of your BTech life and maybe the fundamental would have got a clear picture. Moving ahead in this roadmap, after successful completion of the first year in BTech, now is the time to get into the second year of BTech life to explore the goals that are yet to cover in the third and fourth semesters. For the first year, now you have completed your first year and have gained little knowledge of the basics. Let's move ahead. During your first year, you would have given ample time to your studies with coding. Students who aren't clear about the basic of programming language need to start working on the structural base of the language as soon as possible. They have to jump down to the data structure and algorithm. There is some note here. This is a part where you have entering in the advanced level of DSA. And most important, they are the topics that will help you crack the interviews too. So make sure to learn them properly and ensure to dedicate sufficient time for practicing on a daily basis. So here is the basics and advanced topics to cover in data structure and algorithms. First topic is searching and sorting, then linked list, stack, queue, and heap. Those who have made grip over the basic concept of DSA and their topics can move forward to cover tree data structure, tree transversal, binary tree, hashing and graph, etc. Need to work on different patterns to get insight into complex problems. Once you have got the basics, now is the time for you to start solving the conceptual questions of different topics. Okay, now right after this, start learning the basics of OOPS. It is one of the most important concepts in programming, and also OOPS is being frequently asked during interviews. So in the second year of the fourth semester, OOPS, object-oriented programming, is a model which is all about creating objects that contain data and methods. It gives a clear structure of the program and makes reusable components in application. Okay, so procedural programming is about writing procedure or methods that perform operation on the data, while object-oriented programming is about creating objects that contain both data and methods. So let's read about what is object, what is classes. Okay, so object are instances of a class that are created with defined data. Classes is basically user-defined data types acting as prototypes for objects. Methods are functions describing the behavior of an object defined in a class. And attributes represent the state of an object. So, we know that OOPS follow the four basic principles: abstractions, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation. So, OOPS concept is very important in this case. All are set with the DSA and OOPS, right? So, let's solve some questions where you will get numerous questions based on topics, companies, and difficulty levels. You can refer with the Gigs for Gigs portal. Try to give your maximum time here and solve questions to become industry result already. Once the grip of technicalities is strong enough, by the end of the second year, now is the time to start exploring other skills. You can work on some project of your interest. Like if you are really interested, then you should probably move into machine learning, web development, or app development for more exposure to see how programming works. So there is some action plan. So I have to introduce you about the action plan. First, by the end of the fourth semester, the students who have not made good commands need to work and focus more on data structure and algorithm and keep investing 3 or 4 hours a day. Second one, you can also create your account on LinkedIn during your second year. What is a LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a great platform to build a professional network and connect with companies, their CEOs, and also your friends. To stay aware of the hiring or internship offered by companies. Next one is the second phase of making yourself visible is by building a strong resume and posting it on portals like GitHub, LinkedIn, etc. Being visible and highly active is what is required to do and understand the market trend. And since the technology is much more advanced now, so it becomes your responsibility and necessity to keep a follow up on trends and utilize the feature of technology in the right direction. So, next one, try to make and get yourself involved in as many projects as you can and keep them posted on GitHub. Make a note, you have to post all your project on GitHub. Also ensure that you are taking the right ownership in that project among others. All of your team members should be holding up the task as per their interest so that everyone will give their best in the project. Next one, make sure you are only missing out on attendance shortage and try not to get involved in irrelevant activities like bunking, not paying attention, copying the assignment, and so on. So after involving in multiple small projects, you are now passing the barricade of going into same big project live. This will not only add spark to your resume, but will also showcase where you are standing at the moment. However, it is not mandatory to jump off from a small to a major project in the second year. But yes, if you feel like you can do this and have ample time for other activities as well as, then you should consider this to move forward. So here you can also start working on a big project by adjoining multiple features and add-ons to your minor project. This will save your time and will also enable you to justify your efforts. Moreover, by doing this, you will not be required to align your mindset in a different direction by then. So here is the internship opportunities. What is internship? Why we have to do the internship? So internship give you opportunity to explore your talent and allow you to gain a competitive edge. It provides you with experience and also requires skills that you need to get a job in the future. So here are the some internship offered by companies you would love to work with. First one is Microsoft internship. It is a 12-week paid internship. Second one is Google Step intern. That is, it is a 12-week paid internship. Third one is Google Summer of Code. It is 10-week internship program. So you can explore with this internship opportunity. Things keep in mind during this journey is always ensure to keep healthy contact with OPS and DSA. This flow is mandated and should not be ignored or broken at any point in time. These are the only backbone of your concepts, interview, and logical building. So start working on some live project where you can get user engaged with it. It will give you broader exposure to understanding the concept and technical know-how. You should always follow the 3:6 by the end of your 2 years in BTech, where 3 stands for the number of dedicated hours that you have to invest and 6 is the number of day. Make libraries your best hangout place, not for gossip, but for reading and exploring different varieties of books. Take a break. You deserve a day for yourself. That is Sunday. Spend time with your family and friends and enjoy this day completely. If you look closely by this time, you have accomplished your half journey of BTech life in college. From picking up the primary programming language to setting up accounts to start with DSA and OPS and getting hands-on practice on project and building resumes, this indicates that if you follow the right path, you are not far from achieving your goal and choosing the job that you admire the most. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below.